Welcome to our mechanical room. So, I'm going to be doing a few things here today. First, I'm going to change out the sponge or filter in our humidifier right here. After that, we'll do a quick filter change in the furnace. And then, I'm going to do the anode replacement in the hot water tank. So, yeah, these are each going to be separate videos, and you can do them at your own pace. And then, just for a point of reference, these houses do not come with a humidifier. It is greatly needed, especially here in Edmonton. Very dry in the winter. I installed this one myself about a year ago. Okay, so for the humidifier, you want to change out the humidifier rotating pad every 6 months to 1 year. For the filter for the furnace, you want to change these out about once every 3 months at the max. If you have pets like dogs, like we do, probably more often. And then the anode, sacrificial anode for your hot water tank. Took a lot of research to figure out which kind you need, but they're available at Emery Supply. I'll put all the part numbers below the video. And these should be replaced every 4 years. Okay, so getting to work on the humidifier. First thing you want to do is turn off the water. Okay, I already turned that one off. It's unplugged, so the motor's not rotating. Now this one here, I didn't realize how bad the calcium deposits get here. So it's already dried out and everything. If you're just turning it off now, there will be water in there, so careful when you open it. And got a lot of calcium buildup in here, so I'm going to try and take this all apart now. This is the part we're replacing. Wow. Might end up having to replace the whole thing. Look at the calcium in here. That's after 1 year. Holy. Jeez. Take the float off, take it upstairs and clean it as well. Alright, we're going to take this up and clean it as well. Okay, now I got those cleaned out as best as I could. Just take a look at the new pad here. Okay. Nice and spongy. Alright, I'm going to put this back together. So you can see the drum here at this end kind of moves around. So I'm going to tuck it in. On this end here you can see you got the two little flats. Those have to line up with the plastic piece on the other side of the motor. These are just plastic. You want to make sure you don't over torque them. Okay, that is all back together. Now make sure it rotates freely, so I'll plug that in. Okay, I can hear it. Looks good, goes down to the tray, but it's not touching. Alright, so it's touching somewhere. I'm going to fix that before we fill it with water. So, got it all put back together. So this tray wasn't seated all the way back. It actually clips into the sides here when it's fully seated. Alright, we're ready to plug it back in. Okay, looks like it's rotating freely. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to turn on the water. And we're leaking. That was quick. You want to watch out for this one here. This is the exhaust for the hot water tank. It gets very hot. Sorry, exhaust for the furnace that connects to the exhaust for the hot water tank. Okay. Nice and tucked up out of the way. Okay, the water is flowing. Oh, there it goes. Good. We have water coming in, filling up this tray. The sponge or the pad, rotating pad, goes through the tray, gets nice and wet. And as the hot air blows through the furnace, it picks it up and takes it through the house. You can also adjust it for how much humidity you want going in there, and that'll rotate faster or slower. Alright, thanks for watching. Next video is going to be on the furnace filter.